We studied present tense, past tense. This is a time to think about the future tense. So the actions which will happen in the future, that imaginary actions are written by using the future tense. Even future tense has same types. There are four types are there for the future tense. The first one is simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense. So as we knew the structure of present tense and past tense, the same way we have to study the structure of future tense also. The structure of simple future tense is subject plus will or shall plus v1 plus object. I'll give the example. Rahul will write a novel. Rahul will write a novel. Here Rahul is subject, will is helping verb, write is first form of the verb, and novel is object. So there should not be a confusion between the shall and will. Where to use a shall and where do we use will. As per as concerned as new grammarian, they had instructed us we can use will anywhere. Then what about the shall? Generally, we have to use the shall whenever we have to ask the question, like shall I go there, shall I come there, and shall is used as a form of auxiliary verb also in the past. Shall, should. So after the I, we, you, they, he, she, it, we can use will only. It has confirmed by the great linguistics and great grammarian also. So Rahul will write a novel. What will be the negative form of this sentence? Rahul will not write a novel. What will be the question of this sentence? Will Rahul write a novel? So we can convert positive, negative questions also. After the simple future tense, it's needed to study the future continuous. So actions which will be continue in the future, that actions will be shown by using the future continuous tense. What is the structure of future continuous tense? Subject plus will plus be plus first form of the verb attached with ing plus object. I'll give the example. Rahul will be writing a novel. What will be the negative? Rahul will not be writing a novel. So the structure is here Rahul is the subject, will, be is the helping verb, first form of the verb is write with ing, writing, and object is novel. Rahul will be writing a novel. That is example of future continuous tense. The third type of future tense is that future perfect tense. We need to study the structure first. Subject plus will have. There is a in option shall have is also there. Shall have plus third form of the verb plus object, that is the structure of future perfect tense. But again, I would like to repeat the same rule. Here also we have to use the will have anywhere after the I, he, she, and it also. So I will repeat the example by using the future perfect tense. Rahul will have written a novel. That is the example of future perfect tense. So what will be the future perfect continuous tense? The future perfect continuous tense structure: subject plus will have or shall have plus been plus first form of the verb with ing plus object. So we'll study the example. Rahul will have been writing a novel. Rahul will have been writing a novel. That is the example of future perfect continuous tense. Dear students, there are many more changes in the grammar. Every day there are changes. There is a scope for the changes or new changes in the grammar, and that right goes with the British Council. British Council is the one of the authentic institute all over the world who has right to say what is correct and what is wrong. So there are many more changes in the past perfect tense also they had made. That also we have to study deeply. I hope all will you do the study of tenses in during this vacation, and we will complete the homework also, and you will submit the homework on the time. So thank you for your patience and wish you all the best.